Good morning, my dear class 4 students. So, my dear students, here I am, your science teacher, Mrs. Aarti Negi, and all of you know that we are doing the back exercise of chapter number 2. And today we are going to complete our back exercise of this chapter. And the name of chapter is Adaptation in Plants. Okay. So students, we are moving towards the section F of the question answers. So here the section F is of answer the following questions. Means here some questions are given to you and you have to the answer of these questions. So question number 1 here is, why do plants of a cold region have pointed leaves? So already students, I have explained this topic to you too many times that, so its answer is plants of cold region have pointed leaves so that the snow does not rest on leaves, thus protect ट्री फ्रॉम फ्रॉस्टिंग. मीन्स उनकी जो पॉइंटेड लीव्स होती हैं वो क्या करती हैं कि जितनी भी वहाँ पे बर्फ़ पड़ती है वो उन लीव से फिसल के नीचे गिर जाती है और पेड़ जमने से, ठंड की वजह से, बर्फ़ की वजह से जमने से रुक जाता है. दैट इज़ फ्रॉस्टिंग, मीन्स जमना. सो ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ निडल लाइक लीव्स द स्नो डजंट रेस्ट on these leaves and the tree remains protected from the frost, or you can say such cold conditions. Now students, question number 2, how does a cactus survive in desert? Already we have done some questions related to this topic. So its answer is, the leaves of cactus are reduced to spines, means kaante, to overcome the loss of water, and its roots go deeper under the soil in search of water. As you know, in the desert area the water is present in very less quantity because of the less rainfall, you can say. So in search of that underground water, its root grows deeper under the soil, and they go, or you can say they move up to the very far off distances in search of water source. So this is how the cactus survive in the desert area. Now students, come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, why does floating plants have air spaces in their roots, stem and leaves? You must have seen a vegetable that is kamal kakdi. Okay, actually that is stem of the lotus plant. And if you have seen that kamal kakdi, so that is like sponge kind of material, means the air is present, or you can say the air space is present between these stems that we use as a vegetable. So here the question is that why these kinds of plants have air spaces. So its answer is, as you know, that lotus is a aquatic plant. So its answer is, floating plants have air spaces in their roots, stems and leaves to provide buoyancy and help them afloat. Means such feature of this plant provide buoyancy, means उनको तैरने में, पानी में फ्लोट करने में, और आप कह सकते हो उसको पानी में तैरने के ऊपर, उसको ऊपर रखने में हेल्प करता है. Now question number 4, how are floating plants different from the fixed plants? Means what is the difference between these two plants? Already students, I have explained you the meaning of floating plants along with its example, and meaning of fixed plant along with its example. Okay, so its answer is floating plants are light in weight and they float on water surfaces, but fixed plants are fixed in underwater soil and they cannot move. So these are the two differences between these two kinds of plants. Now students, question number 5 is, why are insectivorous plants, this question is, what are insectivorous plants, and give 3 examples. Means you have to tell what do you mean by insectivorous plants with the examples, with 3 examples. So students, insectivorous plants, already I have shown you the image and a short video related to insectivorous plants. So insectivorous plants, its answer is plants that feeds on insects are called insectivorous plants, and its examples are Venus flytrap, pitcher plant and sundew plants. Okay, so students, these were the question answers of this chapter. Now they are completed. It's your homework again to copy these question answers in your science notebook, or you can take out printout of these question answer, whatever you found the easier option. Either you can write or you can take out a printout, and then you have to learn these question answers. Okay, so that's it for today's session students. Thank you.